1. You will always have the perfect manicure with this collar. 2. This collar is great if you want to look lovely today. 3. The butterfly looks so realistic, it's as if it just landed there. 4. Sea waves can symbolize strength of character and a desire for freedom. 5. This butterfly should be just as graceful as the owner of this collar. 6. It turns out that even children's games can become part of a stylish look. 7. You no longer need to say that you love cats, everyone will understand it just by looking at you. 8. Good idea for those who love nature. 9. These lovely birds will make the person sitting across from you smile. 10. When you need to look as businesslike as possible, you can easily detach these bugs, it's a very practical option. '11. Traditional designs are still in fashion. 12. And here is something that will only fit those who aren't afraid to experiment. '13. If you are a panther on the inside, then let it be your symbol. 14. Such a glamorous collar will perfectly complement your pink blouse. 15. This minimalism and philosophy should be highly appreciated by many. 16. This collar chain goes well with both pale and dark colors.